members are Mahesh, Kumar and Dinesh M. We are studying second year mechanical engineering in Excel Engineering College. Today we have done a project based on design and fabrication of multipurpose drone. Let's see the different application of this drone.
Now I am showing how to use this drone for agri field. So nowadays we are using drones for agri. So this also be used in agri field for fertilize the soil. Using mission planner and telemetry, we can choose the agri land and fly through that waypoint. So this will very helpful for farmers. After the waypoint settings, it's automatically take off and follow the waypoints and straight to the field. After the mission end, the drone return to launch its original armed position. Now I am showing the second application of this drone, seed spreader. Through this idea, we are focusing to regeneration of our landscape. We can use this idea for agri field terrains and wildfire affected place. And this type of regeneration technology will help to save our future. Next we are introducing medicine delivery drone. In a critical emergency situation, this drone will help to transport the medicine to one hospital to another. We can also use this system for rescue and food delivery, life jacket dropping, everything. And it can be used for LPG gas detention in factory or industrial areas.